Hey everyone, I'm Tim. Have you ever thought of getting your hands on the latest tech before anyone else does? Well, I got some exciting news to announce today. So I recently became an OPPO's Product Ambassador. So in this video, I want to share with you what it means to be an ambassador and also how you can explore similar opportunities. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, it all started when I first saw an advertisement online for the OPPO Product Ambassador program. They were looking for tech-savvy and spirited individuals to try out their latest devices like the OPPO's Find N5 even before it hits the shelves. Now, my channel is relatively new, but I thought to myself, why not give it a try? Because who knows what opportunities you might be able to get. So I decided to apply, and before I knew it, I saw an email and I was selected. Now, to give you an idea of the process, the email outlined the responsibilities of the product ambassador. So participants are required to create content based on certain themes and share on the social media platforms. In the email, there's also a NDA, a guideline, and also a contract so that both parties' interests will be protected. And it is only until you completed those documents then you become officially an OPPO Product Ambassador. Now let's talk about the program itself. As an OPPO's Product Ambassador, you get access to the latest product, like this beauty over here, which is the OPPO Find N5, which claims to be the thinnest foldable smartphone at just 8.93mm thick. Now, as the product ambassador, you do not get compensated with cash, but you do get the opportunity to keep the phone after you fulfill what is required in the guidelines. Now, in this cohort, for the product ambassadors for the Find N5 phone, we do have to create a mix of image and videos based on 5 different themes. Personally, I'm more of a video type of content creator, so I asked the OPPO team if I was able to kind of change some of the content themes and also to kind of adapt the content based on my channel. And they were actually very receptive to my idea, which I greatly appreciated. I even asked them, do I need to send them like a draft before producing my video? And they said, no, you can just upload the video after you finish creating them because they want to hear what we genuinely think about the product. And I think this is something that I wanted to share with content creators out there, because when I first applied for this program, I was a bit afraid that my editorial freedom would be taken away because it is a branded partnership. But in this opportunity, I feel like the brand is giving us a freedom to create the content we want and also to share about our passion and point of view about the product. Now, just to give you a teaser, I do plan to do content like an unboxing video and also to share my point of view from a video content creator towards this phone. And also I have some exciting plans to bring the OPPO Find N5 with me to maybe a mega event here in Hong Kong. So definitely stay tuned and hopefully you'll like this content. This program isn't about just getting the latest merch and gear from OPPO, but it is also a fantastic opportunity for you to meet with OPPO insiders and other product ambassadors. For me, I was able to join a WhatsApp community with other different ambassadors within the same cohort, and it is exciting to see the content that will be created. Now, as a product ambassador, if your content shines and if the brand likes it, you will also have the opportunity to have the brand share your content, giving you the recognition that you deserve for your hard work. So how do you join this program? Well, all you have to do is just go to OPPO's Product Ambassador website, link in the description, and register when the registration is open. Now, here's an insider scoop. The team usually recruit ambassadors during a global launch, and usually they will recruit 20 to 40 ambassadors for the program. Now, I think this is just the start of an exciting journey for me as a content creator. But if you like tech as much as I do, I believe that this could be your next adventure as well. Now, thanks for watching. If you have any question of the OPPO Find N5, feel free to drop in the comments below and I will try to do some research and also look into it as I do the unboxing video. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe so that you can stay tuned with my latest adventure being an OPPO's Product Ambassador. And OPPO, if you're watching this, thank you so much for giving me my first branded opportunity. See you guys in the next one.